On-off switch with memory function. When the power is off and after power back on, all the previous memory patterns are cleared. Long press the brightness adjustment button to enter the setting mode. When the red backlight flashes, it enters the momentary setting state. Short press to switch between momentary mode and strobe mode. When the blue backlight flashes, it enters the strobe setting state. Long press the brightness adjustment button or press the on-off button again to exit the setting mode.